Hello everyone and welcome back to Flare. If you've been watching my live streams, you might have seen a channel called Nightbot who seems to be online and chatting no matter what time it is. You might have tried saying hi or asking it a question, but just got ignored instead. So, who is Nightbot? And how did it get 900,000 subscribers without ever uploading a single video? As its name suggests, Nightbot is a robot. It's actually pretty obvious. Just head over to the About section on Nightbot's channel, and it gives you all the information you need to know. But a lot of people who have never watched YouTube live streams still get confused about it. So in this video, I'll be going over how Nightbot works, as well as giving a basic explanation on how to set it up for your own channel. But before that, I just wanted to say that there will be a lot more videos coming soon, including the highly requested tutorial on live streaming 24/7. So subscribe and turn on notifications if you want. And let's get started with today's video. So, you might be wondering what the purpose of Nightbot is. Nightbot is a chatbot, and it's used to automatically send messages in the chat. If you do frequent live streams, Nightbot can be useful if you can't always be in your chat to entertain or answer your viewers' questions. Not only can Nightbot do these things for you, it also has other features like song requests and spam protection. But now I'm going to show you how to set up Nightbot for your channel. So if you're planning to start using Nightbot, stay tuned until the end of this video. To set up Nightbot for your channel, the first thing you need to do is go to beta.nightbot.tv. Next, click the login button at the top of the page to sign in with YouTube or Twitch. Since this is a YouTube video, I will log in with YouTube. If this is the first time you're using Nightbot, then your dashboard should look like this when you log in. The dashboard shows statistics about your live chat, so if you want to know how many messages are being sent, who's been sending the most messages, and which commands are used the most, you can find all that information here. There is also a section that shows the timeouts that Nightbot has given if you have spam protection enabled. The next step is to connect Nightbot to your YouTube channel. To do this, click the link channel button on the top right of your dashboard. After clicking this button, a link will appear on screen. Copy this link and go to your YouTube community settings. Once you're here, paste the link into the moderator section of your community settings. Nightbot must have moderator status on your channel or it cannot function. After you have done this, Nightbot is now set up on your channel, and you can now begin to customize it. I won't be going over all of Nightbot's features in this video because most of them are self-explanatory, so you can better understand how they work if you mess around with them yourself. But if you need any help getting started, you can always read Nightbot's help docs or ask questions on their forum. So that's it for this video. If you were wondering about what Nightbot is, hopefully you now know the truth. With that said, there will be a lot more uploads coming soon, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.